press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone, welcome to history class. The second chapter of 9th standard, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. The coming of socialism to Europe. The coming of socialism to Europe. What we have discussed in the last class, we have the continuation part of this, the coming of socialism to Europe. Perhaps which means Bahusha, one of the most far-reaching visions of how society should be structured was socialism. How society, the far-reaching visions of the society, visions of how society should be structured was socialism. Socialism ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು society. By mid 19th century in Europe, socialism was as well known body of ideas that attracted widespread attention. Mid 19th century, which means 1850, it was called as mid 19th century in Europe. Socialism was a well-known body of ideas. It was one of the well-known body of ideas, the socialism that attracted widespread attention. Socialists were against private property. They always opposed private property. Who opposed private property? One more question. Socialists opposed private property. What is the meaning of private property? An individual who is owing the land ownership. Okay, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. According to democratic system, this is social system. According to in the democratic system, everybody has owning the land. That is called ಅದನ್ನೇಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, private property. That is called private property. If there is a land, if there is a house, if there is a industries, whatever, that is called private property. In the democratic system ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ private property ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ. But socialists it is not like liberal, it is not like conservatives, it is not like radicals. Socialists were separate against private property. One more question. Who opposed private property? A. Socialist. B. Radicals. C. Liberals. D. Democrats. Socialists opposed private property and saw it as a root of all social ills of the time. Why? Saw the private property root of all social ills. What are social ills? The first one is poorness, badatana, and next one is hunger, unemployment, status of women, and next right to voting power. These are all the next superstitions, unemployment. These are all the social ills of the time. It was rooted by private property. Individual owned the property that gave employment. The individual owned the property that gave employment. That's not problem. But the propertied were considered only with personal gain. Andre yaru, those who is owning the land, ಅವನು ಏನು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಹೊಂದಿರ್ತಾನೋ, that gave employment. ಅದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದ propertied which means those who is owning the land, who is the owner of land, was called as propertied, were considered only with personal gain and not with the welfare of those who made the property productive. For example, the industries, more laborers, they are working for the sake of industry owner, for the development of industry. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ? ಅದರ ಉದ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಆಫ್, ಬಟ್ ಅದೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಜನರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಆಫ್, ಅವ್ರ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್, ಅವರೇ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಓನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಓನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ದಟ್ ಗೇವ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೈಡ್ ವರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಗೇನ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ನಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಮೇಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓನರ್ ಹೂ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ ರಿಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಓನರ್ಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, one company, 200 people, 200 laborers, those who are working in that company, they are working, they are striving, they are hardly shipping, but the company owner who became the richest person, not this system. Which system? This individual property system. It not the welfare of those who made the property productive. Okay na? And so if society as whole rather than single individuals control property, society as whole, the full society, it was whole society, it was not made by single individual control property, rather than ಅಂದ್ರೆ means ಒಂದು society single ownership ಇಂದ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So if society as a whole rather than single individuals controlled property, okay, society as a whole rather than single individuals controlled property, more attention would be paid to collective social interests. ಅಂದ್ರೆ we cannot treat individual, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ರಾದರ್ ದನ್, ಇದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಮೋರ್ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪೇಡ್ ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಆಲ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್, ದ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರಷ್ಯಾ ರಾದರ್ ದನ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್. ದೇ ಅಪೋಸ್ಡ್, ಹೂ ಅಪೋಸ್ಡ್? ಸೋಷಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ were against private property. Why did they against private property? 1 or 2 marks question. Why did the socialists against private property? Because individual owned the property that gave employment, but the property were concerned only with personal gain and not with the welfare of those who made the property productive. That's why it was opposed by socialists. So society as whole rather than single individuals control property, more attention rather than individual control property. They wanted to more attention to collective social interest. Collective andre ellara social interest kuda important. If there is a poor, if there is a rich, if there was a rich, there was a poor. Okay na? Collective social interest. Socialism wanted this change and campaigned for it. Which change they wanted? Which change did they want? Which change did they want? They wanted to change collective social from individual control property to collective social interests. Socialism wanted this change and campaigned it. Okay. And next, how could a society without property operate? Without property, how could a society operate? What would be the basis of socialist society? Socialists had different visions for the future. Some believe in the idea of cooperatives, which means the work should be done among the cooperation, through cooperation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೋಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ರು ನೇಗಿಲು ಹೊಡೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ ಹೊಲಕ್ಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಹೊಲಕ್ಕೆ ನೇಗಿಲು ಹೊಡೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ 4 ಜನದಿಂದ 5 ಜನ ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ವೇಜ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಬದ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ನೈಬರಿಂಗ್ ಹೌಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ದಿನ ನೈಬರಿಂಗ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. Some believe in the idea of cooperatives. One of among them, the famous philosophers Robert Owen, a leading English manufacturer, sought to rebuild a cooperative community called New Harmony in Indiana. Indiana is one of the state of USA. New Harmony is one of the city of. They were practicing cooperating community. Where? New Harmony. And the English noveler, the leading English manufacturer, rebuild a society, cooperative community. Who sought to rebuild a cooperative community? Robert Owen. Other socialists felt that cooperatives could not be built on a wide scale only through individual initiative. Other socialists felt that cooperatives could not be built on a wide scale of through individual initiative. That means ಈ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, it was not built, it could not be built on a wide scale only through initiative. ಒಬ್ಬನಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೆಳೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆನಾ. It was not supposed to gain individual property, which was not support socialist or cooperatives. It was not supposed to gain individual property, ಓಕೆನಾ. Next, they demanded that governments encourage cooperatives. ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸ್, ಲೂಯಿಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ cooperatives and replace capitalist enterprise. In France, for instance, Louis Blanc was one of the famous philosopher, wanted the government to encourage cooperatives system and replace capitalist enterprise. What is capitalist enterprise? Which means enterprise is one of the business. Enterpriser was owner of that business. ಅವನು ಓನರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ಯಮ, ಒಂದು ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್. ಏನಾ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೈನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಏನಾ, entrepreneurship. And next, Amazon is one of the entrepreneurship. It was capitalized by individual person. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓನರ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್, either Facebook or next Amazon, Flipkart, whatever it. This was capitalized by individual or 2 person. It was not like cooperatives. What happened with capitalist enterprise? If one person invests more investment on the enterprise, only he is growing. ಅವನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೆಳೀತಾನೆ. But in the cooperative forms, everybody should develop, everybody should grow. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. That's why, therefore, in the France, the Blanc wanted the government to encourage cooperatives, ಯಾದರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ, and replace capitalist enterprise. These cooperatives were to be associations of people who produced goods together and divided the profits according to the works done by members. What is the meaning of cooperative farms? What is the definition of cooperative farms? These cooperatives, all those who are working as cooperatives, were to be associations. Again, they can make associations of people who, the cooperatives were to be associations of people who produced goods together. The goods were produced by them with together and divided the profits. Whatever the profits come out from that production, the profits according to be divided the profits according to the works done by the members. This is the advantage of cooperatives. What is the advantage of cooperative system? What is the advantage of cooperative system? Produced goods together and divided the profits according to the works done by members. Next, the famous thought The famous thinker, philosopher Karl Marx. Karl Marx, he was called as father of Karl Marx, he was called as father of communist, and Frederick Engels. Frederick Engels added other ideas to this body of arguments. There are two members, other ideas to this body of arguments. Marx argued that industrial society was capitalist. No, what is this industrial society? The laborers, they are working in the labor field. Industrial society was capitalist. Capitalist. What is this communist system or community system, communist or socialist? What is the meaning of this system? What it opposed? ಏನನ್ನ oppose ಮಾಡ್ತು? Capitalist. Those who have owned the land, it was called as capitalist, owned the capital. Capital, which means investment. He owned the investment. He has enormous amount. He invests the capital. He invests the capital in factories. He invests the capital in factories. Factories alli capital anna invest ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. More amount invest, and the profit of capitalists was produced by these workers. Whatever the profit has been come out, it was worked by, it was hardshipping by, it was striving by only workers. If they do not work in the company cannot be run. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರು, the whole of this credit which goes to workers. The conditions are, but there is a problem with this system. Which system? Capitalist. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಾಗ capitalist system. What I am telling about capitalist system. In the capitalist system, what is capitalist system? Capitalists own the capital invested in factories, and the profit of capitalists was produced by workers. The conditions of workers could not improve as long as this profit was accumulated by private capitalists. The conditions of worker, it was very bad. They cannot improve. They could not improve themselves because they are always striving to the development of company, to the development of owner of the company. The condition of workers could not improve as long as this profit was accumulated by this private owner. This is the capitalist system. Okay, and next workers had to overthrow capitalism and the rule of private property. After they angered against the system, all these laborers, all these workers, they angered against this system. Which system? Capitalism. Because they were always working, they were always striving, but they did not develop. They could not develop. They were not accumulated any money. But more work was done by these workers, and that's why, therefore, workers had to overthrow, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿಸಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲಿಸಮ್ and rule the private property. Bloodless revolution, the rule of private property. The private property, it was ruled by workers. This is called as Karl Marx communist system. This is called as Karl Marx communist society. What is communist society? A society which was ruled by communication. Communist, which means community. It was ruled by community. What I had told in the last in this para. This is two. This is system. This is capitalist system. Capitalist owned the capital invested in factories, and the profit of capitalist was produced by workers, but it was accumulated by private capitalists. Conditions of workers could not improve as long as. That's why, therefore, the workers had to overthrow capitalism and rule private property. Karl Marx believed that to free themselves from capitalist exploitation. The workers, they were exploited by capitalists. They had to work. You have to work. Capitalist, he order against workers. You have to work. Work ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. There was no facility. There was no facility. There was no any facilities were given by the government. That's why workers had to construct a radical socialist society where all property was socially controlled. Workers had to construct a radical socialist society anna kattidru where all property was socially controlled. Which society was constructed by workers? What was the situation? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತತಿ? Where all property was controlled by society, not for individual, not to individual. ಅಂದ್ರೆ individual control ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, society control ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. This would be a communist society. What is the meaning of communist society? What is the meaning of communist society? Simple. One more question. Workers had to construct a radical society, radical socialist society, where all property was socially controlled. This would be a communist society. Who was the father of communist? Karl Marx. Who was the sculptor of communist society? Karl Marx. He argued that he wanted communist society. He already disappointed about the system of capitalist system. That's why Russia became from capitalist to communist society. He was convinced that workers would triumph in their conflict with capitalists. Okay. He convinced ಮಾಡಿದ workers would triumph, which means ವಿಜಯೋತ್ಸವನ ಆಚರಿಸಿದರು. In their conflict, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? With capitalist. Workers versus capitalist. This was called as bloodless revolution between capitalists and their workers. Finally, who won this battle? Finally, who trumped this system? The workers would triumph in their conflict with capitalists. A communist society was the natural society of the future. And next, by the 1870s, socialist ideas spread through Europe. The communist socialists say this system ideas spread through Europe. Socialists always opposed the individual property right. To coordinate their efforts, socialists formed an international body, namely Second International. There was a first international body. There was a first international body, International Working Men's Association. It was formed in 1864. This is communist society second, or socialist society second international body. Workers in England and Germany began forming associations to fight for better living and working conditions. This is one of the example. It is one of the intents. Russia, it is one of the example for other nation of the Europe. Workers in England and Germany began forming associations. They are associated to fight for better living. Why did they fight? One more. For better living and working conditions. They wanted all facilities which to be given by government. They set up funds to help members. They wanted funds to help members in times of distress. Distress andre ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆದಾಗ distress, and next ಯಾತನೆಯನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, and demanded reduction of working. They wanted to demanded reduction of working. They had to work 12 hours per day. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ 12 ಗಂಟೆ ದುಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು in that time. They wanted to reduct from 12 to 8 degree reduction. In Indian society also, all members, those who are working in the industries, they have to work 8 hours. In the Modi government, it was reduced, it was increased from 8 to 12, but it was opposed by many workers in India also. And next, what were they demand reduction of working hours and the right to vote. They wanted to right to vote. They did not have right to vote. That's why they wanted the right to vote. Therefore, they set up funds to help members in times of distress. Why did they set up funds? One more question. Why did they set up funds? Funds ಅನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇನ್ ರಷ್ಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಯಾತನೆ ಕೆಲಸದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೋರ್, ದೇ ವರ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೋರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ವೋಟ್. ಇನ್ ಜರ್ಮನಿ, these associations worked closely with the Social Democratic Party SPD. These associations worked closely with the Social Democratic Party and helped it win parliamentary seats. ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ವಿಚ್ Social Democratic Party was helped by Germany. Why was they helped by Germany? Because they wanted to win parliamentary seats. It was helped by Germany. Which was helped by Germany? Social Democratic Party. By 1905, socialists and trade unionists formed a labor party in Britain. When was a labor party formed? 1905. Who formed a labor party? A new party in India also. Labor party was started by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in 1942. A labor party is one of the most important party in order to favor of workers. Socialists and trade unionists formed a labor party. Who formed a labor party? Socialists and trade unionists. Andre means unionist andre means andre leader of trade union. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈಗ ರೈತ ಸಂಘ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ BMTC ಸಂಘ, ದ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ BMTC, ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ KSRTC, industries like this. These two members, socialists and trade unionists, formed a labor party in Britain and social party in France. There are two parties. Couple of the parties were formed by socialists and trade unionists in Britain and France. First one is Labor Party in Britain, 1905. Socialist Party in France. However, till 1914, socialists never succeeded in forming governments in Europe. Socialist never succeeded ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುರೋಪ್. ವಿಚ್ ದ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ by socialist. It was never succeeded. Represented by strong figures in parliamentary politics, their ideas did not shape legislation, but governments continued to be run by the government. Represented by strong figure in parliamentary politics. Parliamentary represent ಆಯ್ದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ means like MLA MP. They also represented by strong figures in parliamentary policies, but their ideas, whatever they want, what did they have ideas? What were their ideas? The idea of right to vote, the idea of reduction of working hours, and next communist government, next communist system. These ideas did not shape legislation, which means did not shape laws. ಅವು ಕಾನೂನುಗಳಾಗಲ್ಲ. But governments continue to be run by conservatives. Those who are conservatives, aristocrats. Conservatives, which means those who follow the tradition, their monarchy system. And liberals and radicals, as we discussed in the earlier of this chapter. Those who are called as conservatives, those who are called as liberals and radicals. Liberals and radicals both are same. They wanted individual freedom. They wanted democratic system. But in socialist, you have to just keep it on your mind. What is socialism? There are two important things: socialism and communalism. But here they are separate: conservatives, liberals and radicals. But socialism, what are the differences between socialist, communist And liberals and radicals, they wanted individual freedom, sorry, individual right to vote. But social and communist, they did not want individual owning property. They wanted individual owning property. They did not want individual owning property. They wanted communist system. They did not want communist system. They wanted individual system. This is democratic system, that is communist system. It was practiced by Russia. Here also it is practiced by Russia. Okay. Next. What we have discussed in this class? We have discussed, the first one is socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution, and Karl Marx, and this is philosophy, is policy. The first he told about capitalist, and next he told about communist. What is the system of communist? Okay, na? These are all we have discussed, and thank you.